Everyone from businesses to homeowners are seeing the rise in cost of insurance and how it's affecting their pocketbooks and becoming unaffordable for some.
In an effort to get more insurance companies into the state to help lower those rates, the 3-year rule is being repealed. News 10's Rodrika Taylor spoke with a state representative who shares the fight to get this bill passed. Rodrika.
Yes, State Representative Troy Hebert says removing the blockage the reinsurance market had with the 3-year rule will create a better environment to attract more insurance companies, which could help lower insurance rates.
Tim understands that there's not a bill you can pass that can mandate or do anything that would force an insurance rate down. The only way we're going to achieve lower rates is we have to attract more companies to the state of Louisiana.
State Representative Troy Hebert says Louisiana was the only state in the entire country who has a 3-year rule, and it was a huge thorn in the side of the reinsurance market.
You're with an insurance company for 3 years. After that, they can't drop it. They can continue to raise your rates, and if they feel you're a risky property, well, they're going to keep raising your rates. And they're going to try to probably price you out of it. But as long as you can keep paying it, they have to absorb that risk property.
He says the problem with the rule is that the insurance company is not allowed to mitigate their risk.
As long as that's on the books, that's going to be a problem for them. So that rule went away.
Hebert says the new opportunity of removing the 3-year rule creates a scenario to hopefully get more insurance companies into the state.
What we've tried to do is follow the commissioner's package of bills, create an environment that insurance companies feel they would like to come back or come to Louisiana and get some good insurance companies riding here in our state. Get the competition increased, because if we get an opportunity to see lower insurance rates, it's only going to come through the free market.
If you are worried about the deadline to get insurance on your home or business, Hebert says you have until a storm is named. He says once the name of the storm is named, insurance companies will not write policies until after the storm is over and everything is cleared. Rodrika Taylor, KLFY News 10.